County Nakuru. Kalore ne County Nakuru nitiere lakteche moheo 100 mobago ng'anyo ka giyuak kotudore kod rach mar aluora magitie. Wawinjane gino madhi kuro gisani kata gino madhi mbele kuro gisani.
In Nakuru County, the health services stand disrupted and halted because of a strike or an industrial action that began last night at midnight. As a union, we gave a strike notice on the 4th of September. They received it on the 5th of September. It was a 21-day notice. But if you can count, today is the 24th day, and the county has shown no interest at all to address the issues that the union raised. The other sad thing is that we are forced to do the first strike since 2016. The last governor never experienced any strike. And when this current governor was campaigning, she had a very elaborate health agenda. Topmost was the issue of employing every health worker in permanent and pensionable terms and promoting all of them. And she said that she'll be doing that within the first 100 days. It's very disappointing to note that 1 year down the line, the governor has neither promoted or converted the guys on contract terms to permanent and pensionable. Instead, this county decided to chase away the doctors, the healthcare workers who are on contract, and hire new people, most of them incompetent. We've had complaints from patients, from colleagues around incompetent staff who are hired simply because MCAs were given slots to bring their people. And we want to call out not just the governor, but also the County Public Service Board for failing to do their bit. As a union, we know very much aware that when we go on strike, it's not a walk in the park. People die, people lose their lives. Yet we have to take it as the last resort for employers who don't want to come to the table to address the issues that we raise. We gave them time. We went for conciliation. They refused to send their memoranda. We took them to court. They refused to respond. So we are sadly left with no option but to force the employer on the table as a union. The issues we're asking for are very few and very easy to sort, only if you had a competent County Public Service Board. But as we speak right now, we have an incompetent board full of nepotism and corruption, where you have to pay to be promoted, where you have to come or belong to some place to be promoted. And as a union, we say that today we are not going to be talking about pay rises. Time for that will come. We want every doctor to be promoted. We have consultants in entry job groups. It's a shame. We have doctors. Yeah. Because we want to tell the employers that and the county that if you insist on employing on contract, do it, but know that you have to do it but still pay the people the same salary. Because there are court order from 2017 that shows clearly that if I'm doing the same job group, same job description, same responsibility, then we have to be paid the same amount of money. Pay them the same amount of money. More importantly, let them enjoy all the benefits that others are enjoying. Like, for example, we know in Nakuru the doctors on contract don't have medical covers. How do you expect somebody to offer service that themselves can't afford? Guys, you know? And I'm sure that this money is somewhere lying in somebody's pocket. Yeah? How do you expect somebody who was earning a salary, then you have it during these tough times to survive? We will not going to be beg around such issues. Okay? The other issue is that the issue of salaries that don't come on time. Third-party deductions that they don't get on time. Yeah? So we are calling out the governor. We are telling her that as the doctors of Nakuru County, we are not on strike. Is the county on strike? Because the county that has failed to do what they're supposed to do is a board that has failed to do their work. A board's work is only to hire once a year probably and promote. What's so hard in doing that? So we sympathize with the Nakuru residents. They love to pay the price of having a governor who does not care about them. And we call upon them to join us in the subsequent days to not only demonstrate, picket, and call out the misbehavior, not just for Nakuru County, but the other counties at large. You know, Nyamira are on strike today. Same with Meru. They gave us strike notice. So we call upon Kenyans of goodwill to call out the governors for going on strike. Thank you very much. Any question?
We have the cancer center here, which serves about 8 counties in the Rift Valley region. We also have the Margaret Kenyatta